I want to thank y'all for tuning in. Therapy Volume 1.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? We're back with another quick little video. We got Cleo right here. We just getting her calmed down and cleaned up so we can remove her staples. I had a few people asking me, how do you remove the staples? And this right here is all you would need. You can get this from a local medical supply store. It's a cheap little disposable staple removal. And we got some alcohol right here we're gonna clean up first. We're gonna get the staples out. Right now we're just letting her calm down a little bit, relax. We're gonna go on and open this up, get it ready. And this comes with it has little teeth in it. Let's see if y'all can see that. It has little teeth. So you're gonna use the side that has two. You're gonna go up under the staple, and then we're gonna press down to release it. Let's get her turned over and cleaned up. Come on, Mama, it's okay. It's all right. Relax. A little alcohol and water. Wipe it up. Clean it up. Get all that gook out. So it's nice and clean. You see, we removed a little bit of stuff, but she was already pretty clean. Start up this bottom staple. And it's that easy, y'all. It's so simple. I don't know if let me see if I can get it to focus, but one staple out. We got about 5 more to go. Make sure you have somebody with you holding the dog, reassuring her that everything is fine. This is pain-free. She's already healed up. Stitch has been in for about 2 weeks, but you could definitely save some money and some time having to go back to the vet to take these out. This is something you can simply do yourself with a little patience. Back to that one. There's 3 of them out. And this is not hurting her. She just getting restless. She's a little excited. 4 out. And it's that easy, y'all. We're gonna wipe it down. Fresh alcohol is itching a little bit. Clean her back up real good. Doctor did a really good job on her scars. And as you can see, all staples have been removed and she's completely healed up. We're just gonna make sure she's nice and clean. A little bit more alcohol and water. Just even though it's healed, there's still little places that might not be completely healed. So you wanna make sure you know, she don't get an infection and a C-section mark. And just like that, y'all,